Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Wrangler JK backseat. First, ensure you have the right tools ready. You'll need to fold the seat forward, locate the 4 mounting bolts, and then carefully lift the seat out. This process is straightforward and can be done with basic hand tools, making it easy to free up extra cargo space in your Jeep. Before you begin, make sure the cargo area behind the seat is completely clear. Next, find the 2 release straps located on the top of the seat back. Pull these straps firmly to fold the entire seat forward. This crucial step will reveal the 4 bolts that secure the seat to the floor of your Jeep. Now that the seat is folded, you will see 4 bolts holding it in place. You'll need a 13mm socket wrench to remove these. Start by loosening and removing the 2 bolts located at the front of the seat frame. Once those are out, proceed to remove the 2 bolts positioned at the rear. Keep these bolts in a safe place. With all 4 bolts removed, the back seat is now free. Carefully lift the entire seat assembly out of your Jeep Wrangler JK. It can be a bit heavy, so don't hesitate to ask for help from a friend. Be mindful of your Jeep's interior as you maneuver the seat out to avoid any scratches or damage. Store the seat and bolts securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.